Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of the automotive industry. It's a German automotive brand founded in 1862, known for its engineering excellence, reliability, and innovative designs. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as Opel, Opel, Opel. Opel's lineup includes a variety of vehicles, from compact cars to SUVs and electric models. One of their notable achievements is the Opel Amperoi, an electric car with a range of around 323 miles on a single charge. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Opel, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.